Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a bill invoice for a company like this. It is an automatic bill invoice where you can change anything inside it and it would automatically calculate the total, apply the GST and would give you the grand total. Let me show you how this can be done. Let me change the number of screens from 5 to 7 and press somewhere in the sheet, and here we go. You can see total is changed and so is everything like GST and grand total. So let's dive into the video to see how this can be accomplished. First, you need to merge these cells at the center and write the name of the company, Private Limited. Again, you can merge the second row up to cell 5 and here you can give the address of the company. And likewise, you can do the same for row 3. Select the row up to cell E and merge and center, and here you can write bill invoice. Now we populate the row 4 up to row E with different sections. Let me start with 4. Bill number, name of the item, rate, quantity, amount. You can double click to extend the cell. Now you can select right from row 4 up to any row depending upon the number of the bills that you have. Let me go up to 15, and now you can go on the top of the ribbon and here you can click on all borders, and here we have borders created around the sections that we have put in. Some part of the number, some words from the number seems missing, so you can click over here to get them back. Now put in the bill numbers. Let me do it quickly. In the name of the items, you can populate the fields item of the names. Let me do it quickly again. And here in column C, you can put in the rates. Let me do that quickly as well. And the same we can do for quantity as well. Now here in the column amount, you can calculate the amount, and that's pretty easy. Just write is equal, click on rate, multiply it with quantity, and for multiplication we will use star, and now multiply with 2 and press enter, and here we go. Now you can just grab this plus sign and drag it down, and all the calculations are done. Let me select these 3 fields and I'm going to create borders around them as well. Select the top 2 and merge them at the center, and here you can write the total. In the second field, we'll put in GST 10%, but before that we need to merge this cell as well. And the last one is for grand total. Merge it, put in the name. Now we have to add the amount of different items in this cell total. You can select them like this, and on the right side of the ribbon you can see auto sum, and if you double click it would be automatically done. You can also use a shortcut, that is Alt is equal from your keyboard, and it would be done easily. Now here in this cell we'll apply GST 10%. Here again we will start with is equal, select the total, multiply it with 10% and divide it by 100, and now press enter, and here we go. Suppose we have to subtract this GST 10% from the total, then we can do it in the grand total. Here again we'll put in is equal, select the total amount minus GST 10% and press enter, and here we go. You can see how easily we have created this bill invoice. Now you can do a little bit decoration with this bill invoice. Select the top column, increase the font, bold it. Again you can select bill invoice, bold it, increase it. Select this row, bold it, increase the font, and similarly the other important part of the invoice can also be highlighted. Let me select these, bold, and again you can double click right between the 2 cells to unhide the words like this. You can also select this and change its color to like this. I hope now you can create your own bill invoice in Microsoft Excel without any hassle. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.